To download high quality videos from Canva, let's pick a video document and you select the video size you want to work on. Let's go over to our element tab to bring in videos we want to use. I'll click on videos here. I'm going to select this video and I have one video here. If you are editing your own video, you can bring in your own clips by going to the upload tab here to upload your own video and edit them. Now we have our videos laid out. If you want to trim and edit further, you can continue to edit your video. Once you have your video ready and everything is okay with your edit, to export the video in high quality, you click on share here and come over to download. And here where it says quality, you're going to take the slider to the highest. And you see that it's in 4K now, Ultra HD. And once you've done that, you can now hit on download to download your high quality video.